This 2024 Jayco North Point 382 FLRB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Ringgold, Virginia, 24586 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Danville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 43 feet 10 inches in length and features sleep 6, smoke detector, air conditioning, microwave, stovetop burner, slide-out, water heater, external shower, auxiliary battery, awning, spare tire kit, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Jayco North Point 382 FLRB is 15,135 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.